Government is making fresh attempts. Ministers will meet Baba. Draft reply being prepared. The reply to all the demands that Baba Ramdev, of course, has made. And we have Jaguri with us on the phone line. Jaguri, clearly it's a last-ditch attempt on the part of the government authorities to try and pacify Baba Ramdev from not going ahead with that key planned fast.
Right, it is definitely a last-bid attempt by the government of trying to salvage whatever is left of the situation. Now, for the last 1 week, we are seeing that how the government has been trying to engage Baba Ramdev in a certain sort of dialogue. But we have seen in the past 2 days how the efforts have completely failed, and Baba Ramdev has played hard to get. Now, he's kept the government and the people of this country guessing as to what his next move would be. But we know that, and right now Balkrishnan, the associate of Baba Ramdev, also told us that back-channel negotiations have been on, and 3 central ministers, Subodh Kant, Sahai, P.K. Bansal and Kapil Sibal, are scheduled to arrive here at the Ramleela grounds at 11 a.m. this morning. Now, what the government strategy is that we've been getting to know from our sources is that at any point they have got a brief from the Prime Minister and Congress President Sonia Gandhi that they have to engage Baba Ramdev in a dialogue process so that he does not launch this satyagraha tomorrow. What we know is that Baba Ramdev has got a permission from the Delhi police to organize his yoga camp here at Ramleela grounds for the next 20 days. And as you can see, massive arrangements are here in place. About 250 lakh square feet of land has been taken here in Ramleela grounds, and this massive arrangement is made. But the point really is, as Baba Ramdev's supporters are saying, that Baba Ramdev is firm on his stand, and we've seen how the civil society has reached out to him. Yesterday we heard Anna Hazare and Shri Ravi Shankar, the crusaders really of this movement, appeal to him not to bow down to the pressure that the government is surmounting on him, but to keep in mind the millions of aspirations that are riding high at this moment. We have seen how people from across the country, not only from Delhi and NCR region, but from the smaller sectors, are coming to join this satyagraha. So really, Baba Ramdev, who so far has found solutions but through his yoga to solve problems, has his task cut out, because on one hand, he has the center putting enormous amount of pressure on him, trying to maneuver him, trying to negotiate with him. That we are also being told that the government has promised that there would be the government is in negotiation with Baba Ramdev, and his demands are that at least a time frame should be given to him, that all the demands that he has been raising, there should be at least a time frame that the government should give, that all his demands would be looked into. Also, an assurance would be given to him which would be acceptable to Baba Ramdev. These are the conditions that Baba Ramdev has set out. Now, one will have to watch out. Today, the final round of talks that is supposed to commence at 11 a.m. One would only get to know what would the outcome be after this meeting, the very big important meeting at 11 a.m.
Let's listen in now to what Baba Ramdev has to say about the fast that he's planning to go on.
यह जो पूरा आंदोलन है, ये दुनिया के इतिहास के सबसे बड़ी जहां लूट हुई है उसके संदर्भ में यह आंदोलन है। तो उसका ये सत्याग्रह भी ऐतिहासिक है, क्योंकि इसमें पूरे देश भर में करोड़ों लोग भाग ले रहे हैं। तो इसमें किसी भी तरह का मैं कोई विवाद नहीं खड़ा करना चाहता, और बहुत शांतिपूर्वक तरीके से अपना काम करना चाहता हूं। जो परिणाम आएगा पूरी पारदर्शिता के साथ में मीडिया के माध्यम से बताएगा। मैं तो हमेशा जमीन पर सोता हूं, और बस अंतर इतना ही होगा। बाकी दिनों के अंदर मैं किसी कमरे में सोता था, पूरे सत्याग्रह के दौरान आज से ही पंडाल में सोऊंगा। मुझे बहुत अफसोस है, कुछ लोगों ने ऐसी भी खबरें चलाई कि बाबा के लिए एयर कंडीशन टेंट बन रहा है। मैं तो जिन कमरों में एयर कंडीशन होता है वहां भी एयर कंडीशन बंद करके सोता हूं।